Hey everybody, Jim King. I'm back out here in Kansas City, Missouri, off State Line Road. What we have here is a project. This wall is leaning in about 3.5 inches. If you come here to the side, you can really see it. The homeowner that lives here is an architect, and he hired King Piers because we will gently, what's happened is the footing is tilted, which is why the wall is tilting. So what we're gonna do is come in here with 3 King Pier 2s. We'll go 13 inches underneath the footing, bore up underneath it. It's supported with this 6x6 treated wood support beam bolted to that 2x4, leaning up against the wall, anchored against this driveway. So the wall can't fall on us while we're digging our holes. We're gonna cause no vibration. We're gonna dig these holes by hand, 3 of them. And then we'll come back here, we'll get our load-bearing plate on the subgrade underneath that footing, our King Pier, our hydraulic jacks all set up, and we'll videotape this coming back to plumb, and thus we'll do our job. We'll come back and fix this deck for them too. As you can see here, it's very tight up against the wall. The footing is right there, and you can see it's tilted. So this is a no-brainer. One thing I want to say about my company, King Piers, me and my son, Matt, we work tirelessly on every project to make the homeowner happy. We bend over backwards for these people, every customer. Our pairing system is second to none. Never had one fail. If I ever had a call where one did fail, I'd be on it like white on rice. It wouldn't be no 3-month wait like everybody else that I hear. I go to houses every week where someone else has piered the house, lifetime guarantee. House is sunk even further. The guarantee only states that it's going to keep the house from sinking any further, and the ones we do, they have. And we come in there and we gently raise that footing back up to its correct level elevation. We actually make a change. We will actually raise the footing. We don't just guarantee we're going to stabilize it where it's at. Who wants to walk around in a house with lopsided floors? We're not at a carnival. We level everything. We level everything. And one side of the house is off, 2 inches off, we'll raise it 2 inches to match the other side of the house. Now, whenever we do this, where there's an action, there'll be a reaction. We'll have to come in there and on every project, we fix all the drywall cracks in the walls and the ceilings that we create. But this right here, we don't do a lot of these just individual standing walls like this. So this one was very interesting to me. So stay tuned as we get going. For all your foundation pairing needs, call me, 816-288-4373. You can always go to our Facebook page, check all of our videos and photos out there. Last but not least, we love our YouTube channel. Talked to 3 people yesterday that follow us on YouTube, that contacted us through YouTube. And so get on there, give us a thumbs up and a subscribe. Thank you.